In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Monday.com. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of setting up a board that will help you efficiently manage your time tracking needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll need to log into your account. If you have your details saved, this should be a breeze. Alternatively, if you're using a Google account, click on the Google option and select the account you wish to use. This method simplifies logging in and keeps everything within a couple of clicks. Once you're in, you need to create a new board. Look out for a plus icon, which is often used to add new items or boards. Click on it and a drop-down or menu should present itself, allowing you to choose different options, such as creating a new board. With your new board in place, the next step is to find the right template to suit your needs. Templates are a great starting point if you want to save time and ensure consistency in your process. To find a template, locate the template center. This is typically an option you can select within the board setup area. Once there, you'll see a search bar or a list of categories. Now you need to type in timesheet in the search bar. This is crucial because it helps narrow down the various templates to something more specific to time tracking. Once the results appear, look for the one labeled timesheet and click on it. This template is structured to help you record time efficiently and can be customized based on your requirements or team dynamics. After reviewing the timesheet template and ensuring it meets your needs, you'll want to click on Use Template. This action will import the template into your board setup, allowing you to begin customizing and using it right away. While using templates, remember they are highly customizable. You can add columns, change labels, and even automate certain actions, which can add a lot of value in terms of efficiency and accuracy in time tracking. And there you have it, the basic steps to track time using Monday.com. I hope you found these steps easy to follow. With this setup, you can effectively manage your workload or team's efforts, ensuring everyone stays on track and deadlines are met consistently. Take some time to explore the various features offered by Monday.com to leverage the full potential of this tool.